Take just a few moments to prepare for meditation. Turn off your devices, dim the lights, or perhaps wear an eye cover. This is your time, a time for complete relaxation and inner stillness. Just take a few moments to make sure that you are warm enough, that you are in a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest loosely in your lap or have them lying at your sides. And close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And slowly exhale. And just allow any tension to melt away as you gradually relax more and more deeply with each breath. Take another long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it and exhale. Empty your lungs completely with your out-breath. And finally, take a third deep breath in. Take your time. Hold it for a moment. And let it go. Already, your body is beginning to move into a state of deep relaxation. And just continue to breathe slowly and gently. Relax and allow the breath to just take its own pace. And bring your awareness to the top of your head. And just sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation beginning to spread down from the top of your scalp. Let the muscles in your forehead and temples relax. Allow your eyes to relax. Let your cheeks and jaw soften. Let go of any tension. Now this peaceful feeling flowing down your neck, deep into the muscles in your shoulders, soothing your shoulders, releasing them. Notice your breath. Continue to breathe. And just allow this peaceful feeling to flow through your arms, relaxing, soothing all the way to the tips of your fingers. As your body relaxes, so too your mind relaxes. Your thoughts become weightless, like wisps of clouds on the breeze. And now allow the peaceful sensation to flow through your chest and your stomach. And just feel how this area gently rises and falls as you breathe, slowly and deeply, soothing and relaxing. And turn your attention to your back and feel the relaxing sensation flow all the way down your spine. Allow the peaceful feeling to flow through your lower body. Relax your buttocks, the backs of your thighs, the front of your thighs. Feel all these large, strong muscles become loose and relaxed, becoming heavier in their relaxed state. Soothing feelings flowing down through your knees, into your calves, your ankles relax. Now your feet relax. Your entire body soft, calm, relaxed. And it's time now to leave the external world behind and go on an inner journey, a journey to a place of deep inner stillness. Just imagine now that you are standing on a white sandy beach. It's early in the morning and a light hazy mist surrounds you. The sun is rising slowly. You can feel the warm orange light on your face and body. Feel the contentment, ease, relax. The sand beneath your bare feet, soft and warm. A light breeze caresses your face. This beach is deserted. You have it all to yourself. You have all the time in the world. Just listen to the relaxing sound of the ocean. Its waves are breaking gently on the shore. And begin to walk slowly through the mist toward the water. A small boat is waiting for you. The boat is comfortable and steady. Notice that it is tied to the shore with a strong rope. And just walk to the water's edge, step into the boat. You are completely at peace, completely safe, completely relaxed. When you are ready, untie the rope and just let it go. Relax and allow the natural currents of the ocean guide you away from the beach. Your boat drifts smoothly, rocking ever so gently in the water. This rocking motion relaxes you even more deeply. The sun is now higher in the sky. Its light has gathered strength. Notice that the mist that surrounds you is beginning to evaporate. You can see the air becoming clearer and clearer. Watch as the sun's rays dissolve all of the mist. You can now see clearly in all directions, as though a veil has been lifted. Sparkling ocean water surrounds you on all sides, and in front of you, a small island comes into view. Your boat moves closer and closer to the island, gliding slowly and effortlessly through the water. The island is drenched in sunlight. It is covered in tropical palm trees that sway gently in the breeze. Your boat glides slowly forward, comes to rest on the shore. You have arrived. Step out of the boat now and take a moment to appreciate this place of absolute beauty. Exotic birds dance from tree to tree. and brilliantly colored flowers grow in abundance. The air itself seems to shimmer and vibrate with pure, luminous energy. You can hear the soothing sound of the wind as it passes through the trees. In this place, you are free from all memories of the past. You are free from all concerns about the future. You are free from all responsibilities. This is a place of total peace, and it is all yours. You notice an opening between the palm trees. In the center of this opening, there is a narrow path that leads deep into a rich green forest. Begin your journey into the heart of the forest. Follow the path as it meanders between columns of ancient trees. This forest seems familiar to you, like the memory of a pleasant dream or a place you visited as a child. Walk deeper into the forest. You are guided by a force that you trust and that makes you feel safe and nurtured and still. You have reached the very heart of the forest. In front of you is a shimmering pond of crystal clear water, a pond of perfect stillness. The pond is round and it brims with pure spring water. Notice that the water is perfectly still, like a mirror, free from even the slightest ripple. A ladder with 3 steps leads down into the water. You decide to bathe in this magical pond, and you undress. As you take the first step down into the pond, you notice that the wind has eased. All the trees have become motionless. As each moment passes, the world around you becomes more and more calm, and you yourself become more and more still. As you lower yourself onto the second step, all the birds in the forest become quiet. Their silence is deep and reverent. Now lower yourself onto the third and final step and glide into the water. Feel yourself sliding into a deep state of relaxation. In this pond, your thoughts simply melt away. All is still, all is quiet. The only sound that remains is the sound of waves far off in the distance. Your mind seems to expand. You feel timeless, vast, empty, relaxed. For the next few moments, enjoy this experience of solitude and inner silence. When thoughts arise, simply let them go and return your awareness to the sound of the waves. When it's time to return, I will guide you home. Slowly bring your awareness back to the pond. You are deeply relaxed and refreshed, and it's time to make your way back home. Slowly begin to climb the ladder. As your foot touches the lowest rung, notice how wonderful your body feels. You feel light, clear, happy. As you step up to the second rung, the sound of birdsong returns. Now step up to the first rung on the ladder. As your foot touches the step, the breeze returns. The trees begin to sway again. You dress yourself, putting your clothing back on, and follow the path back to the boat. You arrive back at the entrance to the forest. Your boat is waiting for you just where you left it. So walk to the water's edge, climb into the boat. You feel relaxed and secure. You know that your boat will bring you home safely. Your journey is effortless and calm. Relax and allow the current to guide you. You arrive at the beach, step out of the boat onto the sand. You are home. And now slowly become aware of the presence of yourself in the room in which you sit or lie. Bringing your awareness back to your body in the room, even with eyes closed. In your mind's eye, just see your body in the room and visualize the four walls, the ceiling, the floor, your presence in the room. And wiggle your toes and fingers, bringing movement back into your body. And when you are ready, slowly flutter open your eyes. Take your time. Give yourself a few minutes to adjust before you get up. Our meditation is now complete.